gear too technical. So as you can see, I do have the S26 Ultra. Better late than never. So my backstory about this device, I did pre-order this that Friday, the same week that it launched, that it was announced. The problem was I didn't order this through Samsung because they wasn't giving you the storage upgrade, and I wanted the storage upgrade, so I ended up going through Best Buy. But that was a bad idea because they told me they would ship it by the 23rd of March, and here we are. This is March the 19th, and I finally got the device, so I won't do that anymore. But I did get the white color and the 512 gigabyte storage unlocked. So we're just gonna unbox this real quick. And we'll look at the box, look in the box. We all know that you don't get anything with the box anymore, but I do not see a lot of people unboxing the white color, so here we go. I know a few people of my tech buddies that actually have the white color. I went with white because, I don't know, something about a white phone, and this year, this is like a real white. S25 Ultra that I had was like a white silver color, but this is like a real white looking device. This will go good with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. But as you can see, you get the new camera set up, and it does feel good in the hand. I actually went into Best Buy and tried this out, played with one in hand for myself just because I was in there and I wanted to. So pretty much you do just get your SIMs tray and your charging cable. That is it. Unfortunately, you don't get a case, earbuds, nothing too fancy. There's nothing too fancy. That's just the way of the tech game, even though it doesn't have to be that way, but that's just the way it's going right now. It is lighter this year, a tad bit lighter than last year's device. I do like that the corners are rounded off more. It does feel good in my hand. I don't have two big hands, but I'm still able to reach the spots that I need to reach. You get your fingerprint scanner. I mean, no, you get your fingerprint scanner in the screen, my bad. You get your power button, volume up and down button. Some speaker holes there. USB-C charging cable at the bottom there, as you can see. SIMs tray, another micro speaker, I believe, or microphone. Get your S Pen, plastic S Pen. It actually matches the back of the phone, which is nice. Then you can peel this off like so, and then you get the display. So you do get a 6x9 screen display, the same size screen that you got on your S25 Ultra. I sold my S25 Ultra, so I can't really do any comparisons, but overall this does look good, and I should enjoy this device. I do like the camera setup here. So if you have a Z Fold 7, a lot of people were complaining about the camera setup, but if you have a Z Fold 7, that's the exact same setup that you get on your Z Fold 7, as you can see. Because if you can remember, your Z Fold 6 had, they first started out with those black dark cameras like they did with the S26, S25 Ultra, which I didn't really care for that. And then they went to this setup with the Z Fold 7, and as you can see, it's pretty much the same setup on your S26 Ultra. So this is nothing for me new to get used to because I have a Z Fold 7, so I already know what's coming. So yes, I will be transferring everything over from my Z Fold 7 to my S26 Ultra. So let me see if we can get some juice on here real quick for the first time. Hopefully they sent it to me powered up. Okay, there we go. So it's coming on for the first time. So you do get that new privacy feature, display feature on here. That's not why I got the phone. I, got the phone because, it's just something, it's new for Samsung. Did I actually need to get one? Not necessarily, but sometimes when you want the newest tech or latest tech, you do that. But I did need to get something to replace my S25 Ultra since I sold it. So now I'm going to get my device set up real quick. Let me hit start. S26 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will have more videos coming, screen protector case videos, so stay tuned. I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.